me show you how to change the banner of your YouTube channel. So the first thing you have to do is to ensure you are logged into the channel, and then you come to your channel icon right here, click it, and then you go to YouTube Studio. Okay, so when you come to your YouTube Studio, you go all the way down to where you have customization. Now you can also click remove. That is if you want to remove the banner totally. But what we want to do right is to change it to another image. So what do right here, just to come and click change, and then takes you to where you have the image already on your PC. So you double click to import it, and then you can just do a preview to see how it's going to look out on different devices. So for example, this is going to look at right here where you have TV. If you are browsing on your TV, or if you access YouTube on your TV, it's going to give you, this is the view it's going to give to you, the entire view. You can see right here. But if you're on a desktop, it's going to give you, it's going to show just on this area. Okay, it's going to give you the full length if you're viewing it from a desktop. But this little area right here where you have this demarcation, this blue border, this line from here to here, okay, here to here, where it says viewable on all devices. Now this is more like the safe area. So this area, your entire banner will show properly when viewing on all devices, whether mobile, tablet, your PC, or even on TV. So this is more like the safe area. So it's advisable that when you're designing your banner, ensure that you put the most important content or element in this safe area or this safe box. So when you've set it properly, you go down here and click done. All right, so as you can see right here, we have successfully imported our image. So the final step I'm going to do right here is to come and click publish, and that's it.